there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. It's been ages since I made a video, so I'm back again. This time I'm using the Sweetest Cherry Bundle from Stampin' Up to make this very cute and very, very easy little card. Now this bundle is actually on page 19. There it is right there, of the annual catalogue, the Stampin' Up catalogue, which runs through now until April 2023. If you don't already have a copy of this calendar and you live in New Zealand and you don't have a demonstrator, please contact me via stampingmary, M-E-R-R-Y, @gmail.com or through my website, stampingmary.net, and I will get one out to you because it's got some fabulous stuff in it, and in particular this amazing set. So let me show you how I made the card. It's pretty simple. I used a piece of Pool Party cardstock and basic white, a little bit of sponging on the back, and some really simple stamping. So let's go ahead and get it done. I've already gone ahead and got my piece of Pool Party cardstock, which I just cut in half and scored lengthways, and my basic white cardstock. And I'm using Pool Party to do a little bit of the sponging on the background there. So I'll just make sure you can see that one. So just bring in your blending brush. I should say blending, not sponging, sorry. Get some of your ink on there. I always just come off a little bit there just so you don't have a big splodge, and then just gently blend that colour in. So the good thing about blending is you can get as much on there or as little as you like. So I love the colour Pool Party. And I'm going to be using one of our new Stampin' Up in colours to coordinate with it, the Sweet Sorbet, which I love against this colour. So let's just get a little bit darker, I think. There we are. I'm pretty happy with that. Oops, a bit more down there perhaps. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Maybe a bit more. Go crazy. It's just to give a little bit of background so that the images aren't quite so stark against the basic white. Alright, so that's the blending done. Now as you can possibly see, I've got a little bit of like little flecks of colour in the background there, and I did that just using my Pool Party Stampin' Right marker, and I'm using the wide end, and just move everything out of the way so I don't get stuff where I don't want it, and I'm just going into the lid there and just putting a little bit of that down, just, you know, it just breaks up the background a bit, and yeah, I think it just adds a bit of interest, a little bit of dimension, I guess is the right word. So there it is there. Just a little bit. Should we do one more? Why not? Go crazy, hey? All right. So that's the background blending done with using our blending brush. And the next thing is obviously our stamping and punching of our little cherries there. Now I've gone ahead already and done a couple of them. So I've used Blushing Bride and the Sweet Sorbet. The Sweet Sorbet is one of the new in colours that will run through to 2024, I think. Gosh, that seems like a long way away. And I've already done two, so let's go ahead and just punch out one with the stamp set. So this is the Sweetest Cherry stamp set and the Cherry Builder punch. Let's make sure you can see what I've got there. Yep, there it is. Sweet friend, thanks for being so sweet. It's just a really good all-around stamp sets if you're using it for birthdays or just thank yous, any occasion. I think it's a great stamp set. So I'm using that, the cherry stamp right there. And let's go ahead and open up our Sweet Sorbet. And stamp, yeah, this colour is just fantastic. Love it. Go. And with our cherry punch, so I've only got a narrow strip of the basic white cardstock, because as you can see, the punch, if I put a whole piece in, it would punch out the leaves and the stem, and I only want the cherry itself, so I've just cut a piece to fit there. There we go, and there's our cherry punched out, and I'm going to use a piece of our basic, our craft 6x6 cardstock and just punch out the stem. Now there is also a stamp for the stem, so you can stamp the stem as well, but I just wanted to make it a little bit easier, so hence I punched it out. I'm going to use one of these little glue dots. Now these come, if you buy one of our kits, these always come in our kits, and I think they're so handy. There's always heaps left over. Just saves having to get your glue stick out if you don't want to, or getting another glue dot. I just think they're really effective and great to use. Put some dimensionals on the back. That one. So those little cute little cherries all punched out now, and they'll go directly onto the card. And as you can see, I've got the fabulous big sweet, word sweet. Now I have gone ahead already and cut that one out, and I've stamped it already with Memento Black. But I wanted to show you the die that I used for it. Here it is here. Now this is a new die set, the Stylish Shapes dies. They are great because they have got that stitching on them as well. They are just so great. I have used them heaps, and I will continue to use them heaps, I believe. So I've already gone ahead and done that one. So it just fits that word sweet, one of those dies. So let's go ahead and put the card together. I'm going to put the cherries on first. Just get them in position. With this card, I actually stamped the stem onto a basic white and punched it out, but I changed it up. I changed it up for this one. It's going to go around about there. Really, you can position these any way you like. I'm just trying to get that placement going. How's that look? Sometimes it's just a little bit of, you know, yeah, that'll be about right, guesswork. I've put these all up on dimensionals, but you could have them flat if you preferred. Like that. What do we think about that one? How does that look? Yep, that looks okay. Now, as you can see, I've also got some baker's twine. And in our new annual catalogue, we have the in colour baker's twine with all our new in colours. Got the sweet sorbet because I love this colour. And we used to have a similar colour to this in our Stampin' Up collection, and I was really happy when I saw this colour was back because it's such a vibrant colour, and it goes, I think it goes beautifully against the pool party. But you know what? Try it with different ones, see what you think. You might like it with something else. It's really about the colours that you like going together. If you like those brights, then Sweet Sorbet might just be the colour for you. All the new in colours are all very bright actually. Very bright and very bright, vibrant. You'll see them in the annual catalogue. I need a new pair of scissors, paper snips, because these are getting a bit, I think I may have overused them just ever so slightly. Put a couple of dimensionals on the end here. And I have also gone ahead and stamped out birthday wishes in Sweet Sorbet. So I'll get them going in a minute. Place that one on there. Like I said, you can change the placement around if you like. I just like the design of this one. How's that looking? I reckon that looks pretty good. And then the birthday wishes, I've just gone ahead already and stamped it onto a narrow piece of basic white. So we'll just cut that one down. I tend to keep my my scraps of white when they're narrow like that, I find it really helpful when I'm stamping sort of smaller sentiments. Okay, and then really it's just a matter of popping it in onto the card, just grabbing some of the small dimensionals. We are nearly done. My neighbour has his chainsaw out. I hope you can't hear it in the background, but possibly you can. Yeah, let's put that there. So this stamp set, as you can see, it's not just for birthday. It's for any occasion, and that's one of the things I like about the stamp set, because it is so versatile. You know, that's when I'm looking at stamp sets, I generally look at the versatility and can I use it for multiple occasions. That's what I like. Here we go, and just pop it onto there. Some glue, some of the Tombow. Go, and straight on there. I just kept a narrow border for this card, and it's done. Let's see. It's not going on straight today. Now it is. Perfect. There you go. It's the one I made earlier, and that's the one I made there with the craft. So it's really up to you which one you like, or which way you want to go. I have put a link in the description bar below for this Sweetest Cherries bundle. If you buy it as a bundle, you do save 10%. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com or stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.